Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Using Nomad AI is as easy as inserting your Booking.com affiliate ID, which we help you get, and then generate an entire site ready with hotels. Just like this one that I'm looking at right here. So, Nomad AI creates the site with your Booking.com affiliate ID, and if a customer wants to go to Dubai, they just enter Dubai, they just enter their dates, they enter the number of guests, and then they click search hotel. And what's going to do is it's going to show us a list of all the partner hotels that you can sell, rent, whatever on your Nomad AI platform, Nomad AI website. And then they can scroll, they can check out the ratings, you have the reviews, you have everything pulled automatically, and when they click on an offer that they like, they get automatically sent to Booking.com, which they know, which they trust, so they're going to easily give their credit card details to, and this has your affiliate ID embedded, so whenever a booking is made, you get a commission. And the nice part about it is you have hundreds of thousands of hotels with Nomad AI ready to book in seconds, and you have different templates that we generate for you with Nomad AI. That means it's the easiest to use product out there, only takes seconds, and you're going to love once you get access inside.